Welcome guys, this is one of the best strategies to use and trade volatility 1x index on 15 minutes time frame and record massive profits. What you need is only one indicator is what you need. You need only one indicator to do what? Record massive profit. Now this is how the strategy works. I will show you the settings towards the end of the video. Now this is how the strategy works. Now when you see the green line of this indicator, WPR indicator, crosses the pink lines, the horizontal line here, you see this line here. Now when you see this green line crosses it, look at the crossing here. This is where the crossing occur here. So when you see the green line crosses it from down upward, that is what? A buy signal. Do you understand? So in this case now, this is what? A buy signal. From the point of crossing, you do what? You trace it up. That is where you need to do what? Make your entry. Now your stop loss should be, if you are buying, your stop loss should be at the previous higher low. Now this is the previous higher low. This is where you need to do what? Put your stop loss. Do you understand? So this is what? A massive profit. Now let me come back. Let me explain what I mean again. Now this is what? This is the crossing. This is where the crossing occur, where you need to do what? Make your buy entry. Why? Because the green line crosses this horizontal pink line from up downward. You see the direction of the crossing. So when the direction of crossing is from down upward, that is what? A buy signal. Do you understand? Now the point where the crossing occur, that is where you need to do what? Make your buy entry. Do you understand? So you trace it up. You do what? You trace it up. Look at where the crossing occur here. Are you seeing it? So that is the point where you need to do what? Make your buy entry. The point where the crossing occur, that is where you need to do what? Make your buy entry. This is the crossing points here. So you make your buy entry here. So your stop loss should be, when you are buying, your stop loss should be at the previous higher low. I seen it. So that's where you need to do what? Put your stop loss, and this is what? Massive profit. Do you understand? All right. Now let's proceed. Now when the crossing occur, in this case, the green line crosses the pink line downwards. Are you seeing it? So this is where the crossing occur here. This is where the crossing occur. So you need to make your sell entry from this point where the crossing occur. So this is what? Excel. This is Excel signal. This is point where the crossing occur from up downward. So this is where you need to do what? Make your sell entry. Now, as I said, when you are selling, your stop loss should be at the previous lower high. So this is the previous lower high here. I seen it. That is what? The previous lower high. That's why you used to put what? Your stop loss, and this is what? Massive profits. Do you understand? So that is how you continue trading with this indicator. Now this is the settings for this indicator. Only one indicator, Williams percent range indicator. The period is 200. The period is what? 200. Now you see it. The period is 200. Do you understand? So 3 pixel color green. Now the level, when you come to the level, they are what? The levels. Do you understand? Minus 50. minus 50, minus 49, minus 48, minus 47, minus 46. Now here what 4 pink. Do you understand? So that is all you need to do what, to set up this Williams percent indicator and use it and record massive profit trading volatility 1x index on 15 minutes time frame. Don't forget, this is OPTIMER FX, where profitable strategies are shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video, let others benefit and change their trading history for good. Thank you.